By the end of this video, you will know how to edit an employee salary in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Enter your account credentials and wait for the dashboard to load fully before moving on. Once you are in, look for the main navigation area and go to People. This section lists the employees connected to your account and gives you access to each person's profile and payroll details. From the People page, select the employee whose salary you want to update. Make sure you open the correct employee record before continuing, especially if several employees have similar roles or names in your system. When the employee profile opens, find the Pay tab and select it. This is where Gusto stores compensation details, including salary, wages, and related payroll settings. Inside the Pay tab, locate the Compensation section. In that section, click Edit to begin making changes. This opens the fields tied to the employee's current compensation setup. If the employee type needs to be adjusted as part of the salary update, make that change here. For example, you may need to update how the employee is classified before entering the new amount. If no change is needed, leave that setting as it is and continue to the pay amount. Next, enter the new salary or wage amount in the appropriate field. Take a moment to verify that you are entering the intended figure in the correct format shown on screen. After that, review the date fields. If required, update the job start date or the effective date. The correct date matters because it determines when the compensation change applies in payroll. If your situation does not require a date update, keep the existing date and move to the next field. If Gusto prompts you for a reason for the change, enter it before proceeding. The wording can depend on your company's setup, but the purpose is to document why the employee's compensation is being updated. Once that is entered, review the updated compensation details carefully. Confirm that the employee type is correct, the salary or wage amount is accurate, and any date you changed reflects when the update should take effect. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. Gusto will then update the employee's compensation record with the new information you entered. If the page refreshes or briefly loads, allow that process to finish so the new details can be recorded properly in the employee profile. After the save is complete, the employee salary information in Gusto has been updated.